In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an Anno 1800 on your PC or laptop. Anno 1800 is a masterful blend of strategy and city building set in the Industrial Revolution era. With stunning visuals, intricate trade systems, and deep gameplay mechanics. Firstly, go to Google in your browser. Search for Epic Games and click on first link. Now click on Download button on top right. Downloading might take a while. When downloading is completed, click on Installer and proceed with installation process. When installed, you can sign in many ways. Now click on Search bar and search for Anno 1800 Standard Edition. In drop-down menu, click on Anno 1800 Standard Edition. In this page, you can find all the information about this game, all additional extensions and ratings. Now scroll back to the top and click Buy Now button. In new pop-up, you can select payment method. When click on Right button to proceed with payment. Agree with refund rules. Now you will be presented with Thank You pop-up. This means you have game in your library now. Now you can continue shopping or see you game in library. In library, I will show you downloading and installing with game I own. First, click on the game and complete installation process. Downloading and installing will take a while. After installation is completed, you can open game from your Epic Games library or from your desktop. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up